So today we are going to start with the fourth problem in our assignment questions. The question that you can see, it's a hexagonal pyramid, and in that we have to, the side of base is given 30 mm, its axis is given 70 mm, and you are asked to place one base edge parallel to VP. So as usual, I will be drawing the top view and front view with one base edge parallel to VP. And if I am placing one base edge parallel to VP, automatically you can see OD, the slant edge OD will be parallel to XY. So automatically O dash D dash will be its true length. So you need not identify the true length separately. Okay, now just look at the section plane. Here the difference between this question and the previous question was, in the previous questions the section plane was inclined to HP. If it was inclined to HP, we were drawing the section plane in front view. Here you can see the section plane is inclined to VP. So that means we have to draw the section plane in top view. And two conditions are given. The section plane should be inclined at an angle 45 degree to VP. It should be 10 mm away from the axis. Same type of problem we have done in the previous chapter. For that, first you have to draw a circle of 10 mm radius. You draw a 45 degree line somewhere outside, and then you draw a line parallel to this line, but it should be tangential to the circle. So we will be drawing our section plane. Since again it is inclined to VP, I will be drawing the section plane in top view. Okay, you can see that the section plane is passing through four edges. The first edge is BC, it is a base edge. The second edge is a slant edge, OC. Third edge again is a slant edge, OD. And the fourth edge is again a base edge, ED. The points that are falling on the base edges, you can transfer it directly towards development. That means you take this distance in your compass, the distance from B till this point. You take it in your compass, you transfer it from B towards C. You will be getting a point here. BC distance, you have to mark it on BC. Similarly, the point that is lying on DE, this distance, you take this distance in your compass from the right distance from D till this point. You take that in your compass, you transfer it from D. Okay, so the 2 points on the base edges, we can directly transfer it to the development. Now, the points that are lying on the slant edges, for that what we have to do is you have to transfer that point towards front view first. So first I will be projecting this point towards front view, but look at the name. The name is OD, so you project it upwards till O dash D dash. So this point was lying on OD, so I will be projecting it till O dash D dash. Look at this point, it is lying on OC, so you have to project it till O dash C dash. Okay, so you are getting a point on OD, you are having a point on OC. I will be transferring it to O dash D dash, I will be transferring it to O dash C dash. Now, as we have done in the previous problem, you transfer it to the corresponding edges in development. So project these 2 points till the starting of the development. This point actually it should lie only on OD. This point it should lie only on OD. So O as center, this distance as radius, you rotate it till OD. You will be getting a point here. Okay, this point is lying on OC. I have projected it here. I will be transferring here. So this point it should lie only on OC. So O as center, this distance as radius, again rotate it till OC. So here we are having here only 4 points. So here also we have to get only 4 points. This is the first point, this is the second point, the third point, and the fourth point. Okay, now we are removing this portion. We are removing this portion. So when you are drawing the top view, this much portion should be drawn lightly. And we are removing this portion. We are removing this much portion. So the remaining portion should be drawn darkly. All these portions should be drawn darkly till here. This much portion is getting removed. So that should be drawn lightly. This should be dark. This should be dark. This should be dark. This should be dark. And this line also should be dark. Here also dark. Okay, so this is how the final development will look like. We are removing this portion. So that means we are removing this portion. This should be light and this should be dark. Okay.